Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn how to add column to Excel. Using this example here, if for instance, you just remember that, between defense and attack, you want to add another column for midfield. If you come here, you should remember that when you're adding column is going to be added to the left of the column that is highlighted. Here, you can see that the cell that is active here is in column I. All right, meaning that if another column is going to get added, it's going to be added between H and I. That means another column will be added here. Okay, so let's look at the various ways by which you can add column. If you right click here and see, you click on insert, a dialog box is going to pop out. Do you want to shift cells to the right? Shift cells down. You want to insert entire row. You want to insert entire column. Here we are interested in inserting entire column. You click entire column and click OK. You see another column has been created between defense and attack. Let's call that midfield. Midfield. And click out. So you can fill in the values for each of the trainer or footballer or whatever. Okay, another way you can do this, let's make Ctrl Z to undo all the steps I have done. Ctrl Z. Another method is if you highlight an entire column and then right click, hit insert, automatically another column will be created to the left of the highlighted column. Another way you can do that is to come here at the cell group, here. Okay, you come here and click the drop down under insert. Do you want to insert a cell, insert a row, insert a sheet, column? Now before you click insert, look at where our active cell is. So if we click insert with the active cell lying under J, it is going to create another column on the left side of J, which is here. That is not where we want our column. We want our column between defense and attack. So we bring the active cell here and then go back, insert sheet column, and then boom, we have our new column that we call what? Midfield. So those are the various ways you can add column. Be mindful that if you are adding column, Excel is going to add a new column to the left of where the active cell or where the original column is highlighted, either by clicking on the column letter or by activating a cell within the column that we want to create a new column to its left. I will see you in the next lesson.